Nice throw by my kid. What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. We are so close to being at the beginning of the lawn care season. And I'm speaking here in East Tennessee. Where you are, you may already be well on your way. If you're down south somewhere, I don't know. But for a lot of us, we're still just on the edge. We're not quite ready yet. But there is one thing you can do right now to go ahead and get a head start on your 2021 lawn care season. That's right. The one thing that you can do right now is go ahead and get your soil test done. This video is not sponsored by Yard Mastery, but you can purchase your Yard Mastery soil test kit down in the description box below. Depending where you're located in this wonderful country, it still may not be time for you to get a soil test. If you have snow on the ground, your ground is frozen, can't do a soil test just yet. But if you're like where I am, where soil temperatures are above 45 degrees, but they're below the 50-degree marks, you're not quite ready for pre-emergent just yet, you can go ahead and do your soil test, get that shipped off, because here in a couple weeks when we do start to get into the 2021 lawn care season, you'll already have your results back and you can go ahead and start getting the tools and the fertilizers or whatever you need to go ahead and react based on your soil test results. So in order to do a soil test, you kind of need some soil. We have our soil. This is the front yard.
And this is backyard.
I'm gonna mix it up. Switching over to voiceover mode, as you can hear, my microphone started cutting out. But what we're doing here is we're getting all the organic matter out of our soil, roots, grass blades, anything that's just not pure soil. Get it out of there, because if you get it into your sample that you send off, it will mess up your results. Also, you want to get about 7 to 10 cores, samples from your yard. Now, I'm obviously doing 2 tests here, one for the front, one for the back. The front yard's about 2,000 square feet, so I grabbed 12 cores from all over the yard, and in the backyard, about almost 4,000 square feet. And so I grabbed 18 cores for the backyard. That way I have a nice wide sample from all over the yard that will hopefully get me the most accurate result that I can. All right, now you can pull that off.
Okay.
All right, and close it, and we will stick it in the mailbox. All right, so that is it for doing your soil test. So even though it's not terribly time consuming, but it gets you outside, it gets you in the lawn, it gets you digging, it gets
you. This is the backyard, right?
That's the backyard. It gets you in the yard, it gets...
And this is actually the front yard.
Yes. It gets you digging, it gets your hands dirty, it lets you look at your soil. And so I see this soil, I see that it's very pale, I see that it needs its humic, it needs some aerate, it needs some RGS, it needs some amendments to go ahead. Not those things specifically, if you don't want to use those, but it needs soil amendments, some compost or something to go ahead and make this a little more lively for soil, but it gets you outside, gets you doing something. So anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Have you done your soil test yet? Where are you in the lawn season? Are you still in that waiting period where it's just not time yet? Or are you gung-ho, ready to go, got your products, did your soil test already, and you are actively in the lawn? Comment below, let's talk about it. But anyway, I will see you in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day.
God bless.
Say subscribe to my dad's channel.
Subscribe to my dad's channel. I think this is my
kids.
Right.
Let's get this hobby lobby. thing. What are we doing with all this leftover soil?
Yeah.
Dumping it into our soil pile. Go and dump it, bud. Good job. I'll take that back inside.
Okay.
Yep. I have a tarp. Try to see. I have a tarp full of soil that we got when we dug up the patio.